We are tackling a really common issue, how to reset your Grundig dishwasher. If your dishwasher isn't starting properly or is it showing any error code, a quick reset might be all you need. Let's get started. First, let's try a soft reset, which is simple and often fixes minor glitches. So open the dishwasher door. Press and hold the start, stop, or reset button for about 3 seconds, then close the door. This will cancel the current cycle and reset the control panel. In many cases, this is all it takes to get things back to normal. If that didn't solve the problem, let's do a hard reset. So you need to turn off the dishwasher using the power button, unplug it from the wall outlet, or switch off the circuit breaker. Wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Plug it back in and turn the power back on. This process resets the dishwasher internal system and can fix deeper software issues. Now, if you are still seeing an error code, here's what some of them means. E15 indicates a water leak or overflow. So check for any visible leaks and make sure the dishwasher is level. E24 or E25, these usually point to drainage issues. Inspect and clean the filter and drain hose. Once you have fixed the issue, perform another reset to clear the error code. So your dishwasher should now be reset and ready to use again. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe for more appliance tips, and drop a comment below. If you still have questions, I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.